మీవే కాకుండా మీ ఇంట్లో వారి అందరికీ అవసరమైనవి కూడా సెలవు రోజే సిద్ధం చేసుకుంటే సరి. దీనివలన అప్పటికప్పుడు వెతుక్కునే ఒత్తిడి చాలా మట్టుకు తగ్గుతుంది. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Shreya from Stree. I'm a textile and a graphic designer at Stree. Basically, this is our casual line which we are currently working on. This category completely belongs to the colors of Stree. There are some ample colors that I'll be showcasing it for today. This is the first kurta that I like to showcase. This is a light mid-tone color of green color. So this is a basic silhouette and a basic style that we have done it here. You can just pair it up with any heavy embroidered dupatta and you can just go for some kind of occasions, and also it depends on how you style it. You can just wear it for some light occasions, or you can also wear this for some party wears, or just depends everything on your styling. So this is just a basic silhouette and this has a back opening zipper kind of. Coming to the next kurta, this is a rust colored kurta. It is just sleeveless and it has a detailing on the yoke part as well as the bottom. It has fine tucks all over it, so it gives a kind of edgy look, and you can pair it up for every kind of occasion, whether it be a party or some kind of celebration. You can just go for it. Coming to the next kurta, this has a square neckline and it is a completely blood red kurta which is more desired for. I'm sure you cannot find all these kurtas just basic cuts anywhere in any of the brands. We as a brand are doing it like simple silhouettes, basic colors. Also you can get the same design on according to your customization, like your sizes as well as any color you want it. We are open to every colors and sizes. Also this has a side panel detailing which has tucks on it. So being it just simple and sleek, you can give it yourself a very elegant look by wearing it just as it is, being it very casual, and also you can pair it up with a dupatta or a plazo or anything, and it will be you can give it a more premium kind of look. This is a black solid kurta which is completely retailed at the sleeves part as well as on the yoke part. There are fine tucks here and on the sleeves part as well as on the side panels of it. So being it's just a solid one, and you can pair it up with heavy embroidered dupattas or printed dupattas or some handcrafted dupattas, that will add up to the look of this kurta and actually your look also. In the same silhouette and style, we have another kurta in a beige color. It also has detailings on the sleeve hemlines and also on the yoke part and on the bottom panel, the bottom side panel also. So these are the kurtas that we have done just like 2-3 colors. For now I'll be showcasing it today, but it's like numerous colors and uncountable colors that we can cater into. It's depending upon the customization and the customers as well. This one is another piece color of the same style. It has again on the yoke part it has fine tucks on the yoke, sleeves and the side panels of it. Just these tucks fine tucks just add up to the look of these kurtas, and you can just pair it up, and like early 20s to early 40s women can wear it all. It's nothing upon the age limit. Everyone can just have it and just wear it like confidently, whether you have to go it for a casual or a party wear look. This is like handloom based fabric which has sleek detailing on the yoke and on the side paneling part. It has 3 panels and it is sleeveless. which gives up, more like handloom feel, and you can wear it for some like interviews also, and you can also carry it up to some parties or some occasions like Indian occasions. You can just pair it up. So for the same piece we have, we have done like one more color that I'll be showcasing for today. This one is like a rust color with a green detailing, green tucks on the neckline and on the bottom part. So being these two styles are like same, but like the color, the vibrancy is more, and you can pair it up with dupattas and like plazos and straight pants, and that will more add up to its look. And it depends whether you want to go for some party or occasions or some casual meetings. It is just the perfect fit for that, all those occasions. If you liked it and you have any queries, do visit our website and also our Instagram page, which is 3Official, and do also visit our store, which is in Jubilee Hills.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్. ఉద్యోగినులకు ఉండే మరో సమస్య వంట. అది కూడా ముందే ఆలోచించుకుంటే మన సమయం వృధా కాకుండా ఉంటుంది. అంటే మనం రోజు వంట చేసే ముందు కూరగాయలు కట్ చేసుకుంటాం. అలా కాకుండా కూరగాయలన్నీ కూడా ముందే కట్ చేసి ఫ్రిడ్జ్లో పెట్టుకొని వంట వండుకుంటే